Welcome to the Basics Hub. Do you often find yourself with leftover food after meals? Instead of letting them go to waste, why not turn them into something delicious? Today we're sharing 10 creative ways to use leftovers that will not only save you money but also reduce food waste. Let's get cooking. Segment 1. Leftover Vegetable Stir Fry. First up is a quick and easy leftover vegetable stir fry. This is a fantastic way to use up any veggies you have lingering in your fridge. Simply chop up your leftover vegetables, heat some oil in a pan, and stir fry them with your choice of sauce. Soy sauce, teriyaki, or even a homemade garlic sauce work great. Serve it over rice or noodles for a complete meal that's both satisfying and colorful. Segment 2. Breakfast Frittata. Next, we have a breakfast frittata. This dish is perfect for repurposing leftover meats and veggies from dinner. Whisk together some eggs, season with salt and pepper, and pour them into a hot skillet with your leftover ingredients. Cook until set, then finish under the broiler for a golden top. Slice it up and serve with toast or a fresh salad for a hearty breakfast or brunch. Segment 3. Leftover Soup. Our third idea is a comforting leftover soup. This is an excellent way to combine various leftovers into one delicious dish. Start by sautéing some onions and garlic in a pot. Add your leftover meats, grains, and vegetables along with broth or water. Season to taste and let it simmer. Top with fresh herbs or croutons for added flavor and texture. Segment 4. Quesadillas. Next up are quesadillas. These are super versatile and perfect for using up cheese, meats, or veggies. Layer your leftovers between 2 tortillas with cheese, then cook on each side until golden brown and crispy. Cut into wedges and serve with salsa, guacamole, or sour cream for dipping. Segment 5. Smoothies. Our fifth idea is smoothies. If you have leftover fruits or even some greens that are starting to wilt, they're perfect for blending into smoothies. Simply toss your leftovers into a blender with some yogurt or milk, add ice if desired, and blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass for a refreshing breakfast or snack that's packed with nutrients. Segment 6. Fried rice. Next on our list is fried rice. This classic dish is an excellent way to use up leftover rice along with any proteins or veggies. In a hot pan, add oil and toss in your cold leftover rice along with any additional ingredients you have on hand, like eggs, peas, or chicken, and stir fry until heated through. Garnish with green onions or sesame seeds for extra flavor. Our seventh idea is pasta salad. If you have leftover pasta from dinner, this is an easy way to transform it into something new. Toss your cooked pasta with diced vegetables, cheese, olives, and your favorite dressing for a refreshing salad. Serve it chilled as a side dish or light lunch. Casseroles are another fantastic way to use up leftovers. They're comforting and can be customized based on what you have. Layer your leftovers, like cooked meat, veggies, grains, and top with cheese or breadcrumbs before baking until bubbly. Casseroles make great one-dish meals that can feed the whole family. Last but not least is pizza. This is an incredibly fun way to repurpose leftovers while getting creative. Spread some pizza sauce on dough or pre-made crust, then top it off with whatever leftovers you have. Meats, veggies, even cheeses. Bake according to crust instructions until everything is heated through and crispy. Perfect for family movie night. Today, we've shared 10 creative ways to use leftovers from vegetable stir-fry and breakfast frittatas to fried rice and homemade pizza. These ideas will help reduce waste while keeping your meals exciting. Remember that being resourceful in the kitchen not only saves money but also sparks creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more delicious recipes. What are your favorite ways to use leftovers? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Here's to tasty meals made from what we already have. Happy cooking!